Today, I'll show you how to check longitude and latitude on Google Maps. Whether you're planning a trip, doing some research, or just curious about a specific location, being able to pinpoint the exact coordinates can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and explore how simple this process can be. First things first, open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This is your starting point for accessing Google Maps. Once the page loads, you'll see a vast map in front of you filled with roads, landmarks, and natural features. You can either zoom in or out or even search for a specific location in the search bar at the top left of the page. Now, let's move on to selecting a location. You can do this by either searching for a place like a city or a landmark, or you can manually navigate through the map using your mouse or touchpad. Once you've found the spot you're interested in, simply hover over it with your mouse cursor to ensure it's highlighted. With your location selected, the next step is to right-click on your mouse. If you're using a touchpad, this would typically be a two-finger tap. This action will bring up a small menu directly on the map. You'll notice several options here, but what we're interested in is the set of numbers displayed at the top. These are the coordinates. These numbers are the longitude and latitude of the location you've selected. Longitude is the angular distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian, while latitude is the distance north or south of the equator. These coordinates are essential for various applications, from GPS navigation to geographic research. Now, if you want to use these coordinates elsewhere, such as in a report or for sharing with someone, you'll need to copy them. Simply click on the coordinates and they will automatically be copied to your clipboard. From here, you can paste them wherever you need, whether it's an email, a text document, or a GPS device. And there you have it. Checking the longitude and latitude of any location using Google Maps is as easy as that. By following these straightforward steps, you can quickly find and utilize the precise coordinates of any spot on the globe. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more features within Google Maps. It's a powerful tool with a wide range of functionalities beyond just finding coordinates. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy mapping!